Welcome to Byte-sized Brilliance with your host, DigitalDan. In today's episode, we'll be diving deep into the world of Bitcoin and its explosive growth in use cases. As an industry observer, investor, and entrepreneur, I've been closely following the developments in the cryptocurrency market. And boy, do we have some interesting insights to share with you today. First, let's talk about a recent report released by Trust Machines, a leading blockchain research firm. According to their findings, there has been a significant increase in the number of use cases for Bitcoin. This is fascinating because, despite the market's volatility, the adoption and utility of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin continue to grow. So, what are some of these use cases? Well, for starters, we've seen increased adoption of Bitcoin as a means of payment. More and more merchants are accepting it as a form of payment, and in some cases, even offering discounts for those who choose to use it. This is especially appealing for cross-border transactions, where traditional banking systems may be slow and expensive. Another use case that has gained traction is remittances. Bitcoin provides a fast, secure, and low-cost alternative for sending money across borders, allowing individuals to bypass traditional banking systems and save on fees. This is particularly important for people in developing countries where remittance fees can be exorbitant. Additionally, Bitcoin has found a place as a store of value. With its limited supply and resistance to inflation, many investors see it as a digital gold that can act as a hedge against economic uncertainty. In countries with unstable currencies or high inflation, Bitcoin can offer a safer place to store wealth. Finally, we can't ignore the potential for Bitcoin to be used in decentralized finance, DeFi applications. DeFi platforms enable users to access financial services without the need for intermediaries like banks. Bitcoin's decentralized nature makes it a perfect fit for many DeFi applications, including lending, borrowing, and insurance. As for the future of Bitcoin, it's clear that its use cases will continue to diversify and expand as technology and society evolve. We may see increased adoption by large institutions or even governments, further solidifying its place as a global currency. In conclusion, the explosive growth of Bitcoin use cases is indicative of the cryptocurrency's increasing importance and impact on the global economy. As more and more people recognize its potential, we can expect to see Bitcoin continue to change the way we think about money and finance. This concludes another episode of Byte-sized Brilliance with your host, DigitalDan. Remember, this podcast was co-produced by Daniel Aharonoff and Mogul Media AI. Thanks for tuning in, and stay curious, my friends.